Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Today we're going to talk about music and sounds that you can add to the videos created using VideoSynth.ai. Now to do that, we need to go to the main menu and then on the fourth options where it says audio clips. Once here, we're going to see that there are four options for you, which is built-in sounds, built-in music, your sounds, and your music. And as you can imagine, the first two options are sounds and music that we already have here for you. So we're going to go through those very fast. Built-in sounds are just sounds that you can use on your videos. There are different types of sounds. We have events, which you can hear and check if some of these might work for you. Now I'm just going to click on one so you can get an idea of what you might find here. Alright, then we have animal sounds. Of course, this is something you can imagine, pretty easy. And lastly, miscellaneous sounds will give you just a bunch of different sounds, maybe like clocks, explosions, etc. Make sure to check this as well. Maybe you find something that will be very good to add on your video. Next, we have your sounds. If we click here, we're going to see a plus sign on the top right corner. If we click here, we're going to add a folder to store every one of our sounds. You can create this here, then rename it, or even create another folder in case that you will be uploading different type of sounds and you want to keep that organized for your videos. Once you have the folder, you're going to be able to add sounds from URLs or from the computer. So if you have a sound file that you want to upload, just click on Add from Local and you will need to navigate through the folders on your computer until you find the file and then just click Upload, which I'm going to do right now for you to see. So I selected a whale sound from my computer. You can play to listen to the sound. If it's the one that you were actually looking for, you can click Create and it'll be already stored on the app. So you can find this on your sounds folder. Now the last option, which is your music, is going to be a little bit more interesting. Here is where we are going to be able to create music using AI technology. So we need to click here, then go to the top right corner, and here we're going to see the two options to add it from a local folder or an URL. But the third option is add AI generated music from Mover. Here we need to add an email address and a phone number. This is something required by Mover to generate the music. However, the phone number doesn't need to be real, and we even provide a way to add a random number using the button that appears right there that says random. So after you have all this information here, you click on Access Mover and it's going to give you some options to select for you to create some music. So let's go ahead and explore those right now. The first option is going to be categories. Now there are several options to select from. So after you pick one, make sure to go to the next one that is group. Here we're going to see more options to select from. And then on channel, you might get something else to choose from, depending on the categories as a group select. Here, for example, we do have piano. Then we have the duration, which can go from 5 seconds to 10 seconds, 15 seconds. You're going to see all the options that appear right there. So just select the one that you need for your video. I'm going to keep maybe something shorter for the video, which is going to be 10 seconds. Then we have intensity, which is low, medium, and high. This, of course, it refers to the intensity of the music, so you can explore again, see what gives you what you need for your video. I'm going to go with low for this example. Then you're going to see track, loop, jingle, or mix. I'm going to go with track and then just generate music. Again, it's going to take a little while. It doesn't take that much time, but it can be sometimes more than a minute. Once ready, you're going to see the option to add it to the music library, but of course, you can also check it first before you actually decide to do that. So if you like that, you can go to the add music to the library, enter a name that might be related to this. So I'm just going to add music and then create. Then you're going to find it here in this folder with the other music previously created or uploaded from your computer. And you can even rename it or delete it if you don't need it anymore. So that's going to be all the information related to music and sounds on VideoSynth.ai. On the next video, we're going to see the video workshop where I'm going to tell you how to add these sounds or the music to your video and everything else that we've created so far. So make sure to check it out. But for the moment, that's going to be all, and I'll see you in another video. Until then, goodbye.